Hey guys, I'm in Walmart right now. I just woke up. I drove here. I'm preparing for the hurricane and getting some stuff for the hurricane. So, yeah. So, let's go. Mom already got some stuff, same stuff for the ice cream and stuff. So, it's gonna be a good day. Gosh. We got the Stranger Things cookies of the Demogorgon in Walmart. We got the brownies. I know if you guys know what that say, comment down below. And yeah, got some pastas and stuff.
Yeah, I gave this some lilac.
Let's go. Say hi to the girls, Mom. Say hi.
Hi. Don't put me on. Don't put me on.
Okay, let's go. Oh, turn. Smell like marshmallows. I really want this. I really want this. Well, I'm not getting it. What's this? Mommy? What's this? Ooh. What did you say?
I said I don't know what that is.
Oh. Ooh, right. Crispy sheets. Don't need a whole box. Should I get this one or the regular one? I'm gonna get this one.
You need two of them. Hurricane coming. Need two of them. Hurricane coming.
I need 2 Rice Krispies. That's it. The hurricane's coming, so I need 2 Rice Krispies boxes. And people's laughing. So I'll get 2 of them. Okay, I'm gonna put this in the box. This one out. Yeah, I can get one. Alright. So let's go. This is a dark alley, guys. I have to. Mom, let's go. I know where to go. Oh, yes.
I'm gonna get one of these big bags of cereal.
Which Pop Tarts do you like? Oh, I never had those. Waffle top. Eggo waffles. Look at this. Eggo waffle Pop Tart. Pop Tart. Let me shine the thigh. This thing I wanted. Where is it? I know it's in the style somewhere. Oh look, it kind of looks like a Demogorgon.
Stranger Things?
Yeah. but it's with flour. What if they actually did have the demogorgon one? Oh, cool. Oh, look at this. Tristan would like this. A fidget. A fidget. I found this out. Fruity Pebbles. I want these. I want the collectibles. So I'm getting this cereal. I want the one with the collectibles. With the toys in it, though. Chocolate. Okay. Got some fidgets, but I don't know how to. Whoa! This is cool. Look at that. Have you guys ever tried it? This? It's Lucky Charms, but with oh, look at these. Oh, it's like water bottles. Alright. Well, okay. Wendy's.
Let me get some of these.
Wendy's cereal. I never heard of Wendy's. Oh, applesauce. Oh, this one. Strawberry peach. I never heard of Wendy's cereal before. Wendy's.
Oh yeah, Frosty. That's the Wendy's.
Wait, is that marshmallows in it? I think that's marshmallows. Wendy's Frosty cereal. Just look at it. Okay. Okay.
I wanted to make some wrap a pancake box from the
Oh, pancakes.
bottom. Go down.
Oh, pancakes.
That one.
Oh, dang, this is heavy. Why is this so heavy? Eesh. Whew.
I already bought a bunch of those.
Thank you, Mommy. Oh, they have different
That was not
flavors.
nasty. Y'all didn't even drink them when we got the last time.
I love those. I drink them every day. What do you mean? Ow. This is heavier than it looks like.
They got these for this one is all beat up. It's messed up.
There's another one. I just remember. Oh, or should we get this one? Possibly this one. Regular milk.
No, because y'all got y'all.
There's some water over there. Just came in.
This is milk.
Milk.
So like y'all could still eat y'all cereal.
Do,
They got napkins in the box,
do.
it's all messed up.
Yep. Oh, look at those. They smell like good. What in the? I never saw those before. Oh, these are the push pop. Mommy, I found a push pop. So push pop. You can make a weapon with these bad boys. Wait, what? Oh, I thought that was the cheese balls my brother wanted. No. Oh, no. Wait, what's this? I thought we already got a
No
whole.
fat milk. It's vanilla milk.
Oh, vanilla. What's the difference between regular milk and vanilla milk? Okay, we going this way or that way? We don't need no candy. We should get those, but you didn't see them, so let's go.
Let me see.
These are where the cheese balls.
Oh, because I got Jesus. He's very,
Wait.
Holy Ghost is
Cheese
very
balls.
important.
Oh, I thought this was finally we found Oh, it's a little package. We should get these ones because he won't get this. He won't eat this whole thing by himself. So.
All right, well, we'll get these cheese balls.
Little package. Well, he sees these cheese balls, not those cheese balls. But it's about to be the same thing. So. Hopefully he won't cry and say, I want to these cheese balls and stuff.
Move over.
But, oh look, these popcorns that you got us. Okay. Pirate's booty. I saw pirate's booty that one of my friends brought to school.
That man said you should have grabbed the big one.
Well, that's what I was trying to grab. You said get that one. Okay.
We got water, but we don't need that.
It is no more water. It's completely empty. It's only a small bottle of water. Oh, look at those. They probably are have those. Why is it a raw apple? Right up.
Somebody left there. Excuse me. Thank you.
Somebody left their apple. I see those. Why are we eating?
Strawberry soda.
What's- Finally, we got it.
Now you can do your float.
What's this?
We got that big old thing at home of that powder.
Oh, it's just the half straw. Oh, we should get the straw for the little worms. Wait, do we still have straws? Like plastic straws that you can bend? I don't think we have no more. We have them. I thought you said you were running low on money.
Yeah, Grandma just sent me something to get some of these things that we need.
Sure. I'm kind of tired. I just woke up and went to the store. I decided to make a video here, so for the hurricane, of course. So Red Bull makes you grow wings. Red Bull gives you wings. Okay, I'm not getting the red. What is it? What is this doing in here?
I don't know, but leave it alone.
So I just finished getting stuff for the hurricane. It's in the trunk right now. So get to see y'all later. Too.